Another marker of cardiovascular risk, not identified on just your basic lipid panel, is something called lipoprotein A. Lipoprotein A is a particle that looks similar to LDL or bad cholesterol, but it doesn't have exactly the same function. Scientists still aren't exactly sure how lipoprotein A contributes to cardiovascular disease, but there are many theories. One is that lipoprotein A increases inflammation and scarring of blood vessels, which can contribute to the buildup of plaque. Other thought is lipoprotein A acts similar to certain particles that break up clotting but without that function, fooling the body into making more clots, which can also block blood vessels and lead to a heart attack and stroke. Whatever the exact cause, scientists are sure that lipoprotein A levels are correlated with cardiovascular risk.